So today we're solving simultaneous equations using the elimination method. So in this example, we're solving the following simultaneous equations: x plus 2y equals 8 and 3x minus y equals 10. So we're going to start by eliminating the x. So taking the first equation, x plus 2y equals 8, we're going to label this equation A. And taking the second equation, 3x minus y equals 10, I'm going to label this equation B. So to eliminate the x's, we need the same number of x's in both equations. So in the first equation, we only have one x, and in the second equation, we have three x's. So I'm going to triple the first equation. So multiplying everything in equation A by 3, I get 3x plus 6y equals 24. And this is 3 lots of equation A. I'm going to leave equation B as it is. We can notice now that we have 3x in both 3a and in equation B. So to get these to cancel out, I'm going to subtract equation B from 3a. So this gives me 3x minus 3x equals 0x. 6y minus y equals 7y. And 24 minus 10 equals 14. So dividing both sides by the 7, I get that y is equal to 2. So now I want to eliminate the y's. So starting with the same two equations, labeling them equation A and equation B. So comparing the y's, I notice now that the second equation has 1y and the first equation has 2 y's. So to get the same number of y's in both equations, I'm going to double equation B. So I'm going to leave equation A as it is. And now doubling equation B, I get 6x minus 2y equals 20. So noticing the first equation has 2y, but the second equation has minus 2y. So to get these to cancel, because they're opposite signs, I have to add them together. So I'm going to add together equation A and equation 2b. So x plus 6x is 7x. The 2y plus minus 2y is 0y. And then 8 plus 20 is 28. So to solve for x, I divide both sides by the 7, and this gives me x is equal to 4. So now I've found both x and y, I can plug these back into the original equations to check that they work. In equation A, I had x plus 2y equals to 8. So substituting in the values for x and y, I get 4 plus 2 times 2 equals 8. And this gives me 8 equals to 8. So the first equation is satisfied. Then checking in equation B, so 3x minus y equals 10. Substituting in the values, this gives me 3 times 4 minus 2 equals 10, which is the same as 10 equals 10. So this equation is also satisfied. Therefore, the solutions are x equals 4 and y equals 2.